Okay, move behind.
I don't know where. We go then? Fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3. But it is because of the relentless efforts that were put in by the minister and by the officials, by the engineering department of the sports department, that we were ultimately able to complete the first phase of this project on time. Just to share with all of you that there is a second phase for this project. On my left side, once we started removing the mud and the small mount of whatever the hill out there, we realized that there was an opportunity to build up an entire gallery. So in the second phase, we are expecting to put up a full gallery out there with certain shops and certain areas for rooms and facilities, so that this place can be used for many other programs, and not just sports programs, but even if possible, if the technology and the rules allow, then even other events in the long run, so that we can get the maximum utility from the infrastructure and the investments that have been made in this particular place. You will also be happy to know that it is not just this stadium, but the government of Meghalaya in the last 5 years has ongoing projects of more than 500 crores in the sports department, and in the pipeline we have hundreds of more crores of projects that are coming up. As we speak, within 15 days from now, we will be inaugurating another stadium in Jaintia Hills, in Vaijer constituency, in Narthian constituency, in the Vaijer village, where state-of-the-art stadium has been built, where there is track and field and a football stadium, as well as a gallery that has been set up out there. Whether it is in sports, whether it's in music through grassroots Meghalaya music program, whether it's through entrepreneurship, through the Prime program, and now the CM Elevate program, many such areas we are seeing our youth are able to really come out and be able to perform very well. And as mentioned, whether it's music or sports, we expect that we will be able to soon see many of our youngsters at the regional, national, and even international level.
Yes, cheer for your favorite.
I urge all of you to make the most of this remarkable facility, to support and encourage our athletes, and to take pride in the strides we are making towards a brighter and more active future for Tura and the state. Let this stadium be a constant reminder for us of our collective potential and the heights that we can achieve when we stand together as one community.
And I really hope and I truly believe that someday what our aim and our objective to see the youth of our state shine in national level or international level as well. And I truly believe that someday we can witness all that.
We are very pleased to inform all the citizens of especially Tura town, the Garo Hills region and the state as a whole that the athletic track and field stadium was inaugurated today here in Tura, and this is state-of-the-art stadium with facilities and the qualities that are at national and international level, and this has been completed in a record time. We wanted to complete this before the 5th Meghalaya Games, and we are happy that we were able to do it, and I must congratulate the Honorable Minister as well as the entire sports department for having completed this stadium on time, and so that we can now use it for the 5th Meghalaya Games, which will start from the 15th of this month. This is one of the stadiums, apart from many more, which we are constructing throughout the state. In the next few months, we will see number of stadiums being inaugurated in Jaintia Hills and in Khasi Hills regions also. And at the same time, within the next 2 years, we will see the state-of-the-art indoor stadiums in Shillong and Tura also being completed very soon.